Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can add products in your Woocommerce website. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left side menu, find and click on Products, then click on Add New. Now you'll be taken to the Add New Product page. At the top, enter your product name, and just below that, write a short product description. Scroll down a little, and you'll see the product data box. This is where you add your price, SKU, stock details, and shipping info. If your product has variations like size or color, change the product type from Simple Product to Variable Product, and add variations under the Attributes and Variations tabs. Next, scroll down to the Product Short Description section. This is the short text that appears next to your product image on your shop page. Now, on the right side, upload your product image, and if you have multiple photos, add them in the product gallery. You can also select a category to organize your products better. Once everything looks good, click on the Publish button at the top right corner. Your product is now live and visible on your Woocommerce store. And that's it now, you know how to easily add products in your Woocommerce website. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.